To buy a Steam gift card with Google Pay, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device and searching for the Steam gift card. You can find it in the gift cards section of the store. Next, select the denomination of the gift card you want to purchase, which can range from $10 to $100. After selecting the amount, click on the Buy button to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, select Google Pay as your payment method. If you have not set up Google Pay, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your credit or debit card information and complete the setup process. Once you have set up Google Pay, you will be redirected back to the payment page. Review your purchase details and confirm that the payment method is Google Pay. Click on the Buy button to complete the purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with the gift card details, including the gift card code and the amount. You can then redeem the gift card on the Steam website by logging into your Steam account and clicking on your profile name in the top right corner. Select account details and then click on Add funds to your Steam wallet. Enter the gift card code and select Continue to add the funds to your Steam wallet. The funds will be available immediately and you can use them to purchase games, in-game items, and other content on Steam. Remember to keep your gift card code secure and do not share it with anyone. Also, make sure to check the terms and conditions of the gift card before making a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily buy a Steam gift card with Google Pay and enjoy your favorite games on Steam.